Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to create a timeline in Google Slides for 2025. Whether you're a student working on a history project, a teacher planning lessons, or a professional pitching ideas, timelines help visualize events in a clear and engaging way. This tutorial is straightforward and quick, so let's dive right in and get you creating in no time. First, open Google Slides. It's free and accessible via your Google account. Start by creating a new presentation or opening an existing one. Think about your timeline's purpose. For example, a horizontal layout works great for chronological events. Step 1. Set up your slide. Go to the menu and select Insert, greater than, Shape, to draw a straight line. This will be the backbone of your timeline. Drag it across the slide to represent the flow of time. Step 2. Add event markers. Under Insert, greater than, Shape, choose circles, arrows, or any icon that fits. Place them along the line to mark key points. This makes your timeline interactive and easy to follow. Step 3. Insert text for details. Click Insert, greater than, text box, and type in your event descriptions, dates, or notes next to each marker. Keep it concise for better readability. Step 4. Customize your design. Right-click on elements to change colors, fonts, and sizes. Use the Arrange tool to align everything perfectly. Nothing looks more professional than a neat layout. For a 2025 update, check out any new templates in Google Slides theme gallery. They might have pre-designed options to speed things up. A quick pro tip: if you're dealing with lots of data, consider using the Add-ons feature for advanced timelines, like importing from spreadsheets. And there you have it. Your timeline is ready. You can now present it, share it via link, or export as an image. This skill will save you time and impress your audience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.